Alright, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing math. So we have, let's see. We have the equation y minus, let me change that to green, y minus 3 to the power of 3. And we want to expand it. And so the first thing that we try to find is the a and the b value. So we find that the a value is y, and the b value is negative 3. And then we find that the exponent is 3, which means that it's going to have, let's see, Pascal's triangle, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4 coefficients. 4 coefficients. So yeah, and then it's going to, so then we're going to do the first term, which is, starting with the first coefficient, y times 1 times y to the power of 3 with negative 3 to the power of 0, because we always want to start with the a value having the highest exponent and the b value having the lowest exponent, plus 3 to the power of y. Let me just write the rest out. Oh, sorry, hold up. Let me erase that. Times negative 3 to the power of 1 plus, let me move that to this side. Not that big of a screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, now the screen just got bigger. Wait a second. Here we go. So now we can, here we go. We have that. So then we do the next coefficient, which is 3, and then we have it be to the y to the power of 1 this time, times negative 3 to the power of 2, and then we have plus 1. You see how, like, the pattern of the coefficient 1, 3, 3, 1 next to all these terms. We have y to the power of 0, negative 3 to the power of 3. So now we expand this even more. So now we have y to the power of 3 times negative 3 to the times 1, negative 3 to the power of 0. Negative 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so then that's just going to have us y to the power of 3. And then 3 times y to the power of 2. So if we have 3 times y to the power of 2, we have y to the power of 2, which is y squared, times 3. So that's just going to be plus 3y squared. And then that's going to be negative 3 to the power of 1. That's going to be minus 3. Minus 3. And then you have 3y to the power of 1. So then that's just going to be 3y. And then negative 3 to the power of 2, that's just going to be plus 9. And then, yeah, anyways, so yeah, then we're going to have the a value, yeah. And then, so then we're going to have plus 1 times y to the power of 0, so that's going to be 1 times 1 is 1, so then that's just going to be negative 3 to the power of 3, which is, let me pull out my, okay, no, I'll just solve the math instead of doing my calculator. Times negative 3, since it's negative 3 to the power of 3. So then we have negative 9 times negative 3, that's going to be 27. Am I right? Negative 9 times negative, yeah. Okay, so then we're going to have 27. Am I sure? Negative 3 to the power, negative 3 times negative 3, which is negative, oh, that's plus 9, sorry. So that's going to be negative 27. Negative 27. So yeah, and then that's going to be, then we have to add all these constants together. So that's negative 3, you add that together to 9, that's 6. 6 plus negative 27, that's going to be negative 21. So then we have x squared plus 3y squared plus 3y is going to be negative minus 21, so that's going to be our end equation. So, yeah. Now let me just erase all that. And then we'll start over with the next one. How do I make this circle bigger? Let me see. This square, let me make it bigger. Okay. Let me erase everything. Alright. Erase that right there. Erase that. I'm not going to erase everything because it's going to take too long, so then I'll just have it be like here. Alright, so now we're going to have using E in like a logarithmic equation or like natural log. So let's say we have ln okay, and now so the equation is going to be ln e x equals 9. So natural log and e are basically exactly like log 10. Log and 10. And e is usually used with like compounded interest when you compound it like continuously. Yeah, so for this, we want to move the e and take this out of log form, move the e and bring it over here. So then we have e to the power of 9 equals, e to the power of 9 equals x. What is e to the power of 9? Let me just pull up my calculator here. Let's see. Yeah, here. It is 810. Oh, no. 8,103.804. So that is the answer. So here's the lesson here. We have ln, and then we have e, and then we have x. So what can we do to this equation to end up have the x be all by itself? So what we do is we end up moving the e over to 9. So then we have e to the power of 9. And then we have x be all by itself, so x equals e to the power of 9. So bam. Done. It was nice teaching you guys. So that was, this topic right here was expanding bionomials. And this was using e. Here we go. Okay, bye guys.